Hello, welcome to the Adroit ERP software. In this video, I'll be demonstrating on how to use the restaurant management software and how it can help you to manage your restaurant. Okay, so this is how the interface of the software looks like. This is the dashboard. This is a graphical overview of how your restaurant is looking like. You have a number of how the food, which ones are being sold more than the others. This is a graphical overview of it. You have the total number of orders received, total number of available menu that you have in your restaurant. Okay, so on my left side we have financial resource management. The financial resource management handles the accounting aspect of your business, that the cash inflow and outflow accounting aspect of your business. That deals with your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your trial balance, and your customers, your suppliers, your inventory, and other things. We also have the operations. Operations handles the food items and the core operations of the business. We also have the customer relation management. We have the payroll. The payroll handles your employees. You can generate a pay slip for your employees that you handle in your business. You can register employees, their name, their details, their basic pay, allowance, and other incentives as well. We have the bill of manufacturing. So let's say you manufacture your own product or your own food or other things. You can use this form to do those manufacturing. So this is the customer table where you can add all your customers. By going to new, you add your customers details and information over here. We have inventory. The inventory that you have, the rice and all the food that you bought and you use it for your restaurant, you can queue in everything over here. All this inventory can be entered into the system by using this window. We also have suppliers. So some of the suppliers that supply you with food stuff for your restaurant, you can queue in by going to new. Then you have access to all this information that you can fill in for those suppliers, for you to know where all those suppliers are located or the things that they supply to your business, to your restaurant as well. So before you can sell food to your customers, you have to receive this inventory that the suppliers brings into your restaurant. So this is the receive inventory. So you go to receive inventory, you select the type of inventory that you are receiving into your restaurant. So there, if it is rice or anything, you receive it before you can sell. So once you receive it, you type in the quantity, the unit cost, and where the warehouse that you are receiving this inventory to or from. And you click on Adroit to add it to the system. Then you process that food or that inventory. You can as well transfer that inventory. Maybe you have a number of rice that came into a particular warehouse. You can transfer the same number of or a number of those rice into another warehouse. Maybe you have different warehouse across the country, so you can transfer that inventory or the rice. You can select the rice or anything that you want to transfer it from one location, the quantity, to another warehouse by using this form. So from maybe warehouse 1 to warehouse 2, you can select where you are transferring that stock to that location. You can as well adjust the inventory also. You can adjust the inventory. Maybe there are some food or there are some rice that came in, so you can adjust it, whether you are increasing or you are decreasing that number of stock in your location. Okay, so once you have received that inventory, or you have received the rice, we can sell it to your customers. So you use this window, select the customer's name, what you are selling. Maybe you are selling fried rice and chicken, quantity 2. Then the price, before you can know the price will be set under the inventory. The price will be set, so when you come here, it will automatically pop up automatically. Then you add it to the system, then you process. So you are processing this inventory for this customer. So this is the invoice that we just processed for this customer. So as you can see, so we can see or generate a report on the sales that will be made for a particular day. So let's see the sales that we made for today, for instance. But you can choose from a range, whether from January to December, the total number of sales that you made for the year or a particular month. But for this one, I'm just generating the sales that we made just today. So we made the sales today. That's jollof rice and chicken. We also made this earlier on. So you can see the total number of sales that will be made for today. Okay. So you can select the range from which month to which month. You can select to know. So let's see the inventory. We have the inventory. This report will make you, or allow you to know how the inventory is looking, whether they are decreasing or they are increasing. So once you transfer, it will be decreased. Once you are selling, the inventory or the stock available will be increased or decreased. So this is where you know whether your stock are getting finished or they are rather increasing. You can also see by their balance, the location, whether from this warehouse, how much is left in this warehouse and how much are being transferred from one warehouse to another warehouse. Okay, so let's come to let's see how our balance sheet is looking at assets. So this is our profit and loss. This is our profit and loss. This is how the expenses that you have made, the revenue that you have made for the year as well. So let's see our trial balance too. If our trial balance will balance. Once it's balanced, that means you are in the right position. Okay, so our trial balance is balancing now. Okay. So one thing is, the advantage of using this software is we can customize it to your preference, however you want us to customize it. If you want any changes, we are ready to make any changes. That will be a customized system for you. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you very much.